Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. First question, in which country escaping from jail is not considered a crime? A. Spain, B. Nepal, C. Germany, D. United States. The correct answer is option C. Germany. Next question, what is the average lifespan of a horse? A. 30 years, B. 65 years, C. 50 years, D. 55 years. The correct answer is option A. 30 years. Next question. In which country was the flying snake found? A. Thailand, B. Chennai, C. Japan, D. America. The correct answer is option A. Thailand. Next question. With whose help do fish breathe? Do you take it? A. Gills, B. Eye, C. Nose, D. Ear. The correct answer is option A. Grills. Next question. Moon and star is the national symbol of which country? A. China, B. Pakistan, C. Iran, D. Israel. The correct answer is option B. Pakistan. Next question. Which is a country that has participated in the most wars in the world? A. India, B. Turkey, C. Japan, D. United States. The correct answer is option D. United States. Next question. Garba is a famous folk dance of which state? A. Rajasthan, B. Punjab, C. Gujarat, D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is option C. Gujarat. Next question. Due to which gas the water in the fridge remains cold? A. Oxygen, B. Ammonia, C. Nitrogen, D. Helium. The correct answer is option B. Ammonia. Next question. Which animal was first domesticated by primitive man? A. Goat, B. Elephant, C. Dog, D. Cow. The correct answer is option C. Dog. Next question. Which bird is called the helicopter of nature? A. Parrot, B. Pigeon, C. Vultures, D. Hummingbird. The correct answer is option D. Hummingbird. Next question. Which is the strongest part of our body? A. Nose, B. Femur, C. Tongue, D. Hand. The correct answer is option B. Femur. Next question. How many hours can a cat sleep? A. 12 hours, B. 14 hours, C. 18 hours, D. 25 hours. The correct answer is option A. 12 hours. Next question. For how many days did Mother Sita stays in Lanka was staying? A. 110 days, B. 228 days, C. 365 days, D. 300 days. The correct answer is option D. 300 days. Next question. Which flower do bees visit the most? A. Lotus, B. Mustard, C. Conian, D. Rose. The correct answer is option B. Mustard. Next question. Eating which leaf makes the brain sharp? It happens. A. Spinach, B. Tulasi, C. Mint, D. Broccoli. The correct answer is option A. Spinach. Next question. Which should we eat to make our face fair? A. Lemon, B. Green tea, C. Watermelon, D. Coconut. The correct answer is option B. Green tea. Next question. Which is the largest product of rubber and spice in the state? A. Odisha, B. Punjab, C. Gujarat, D. Kerala. The correct answer is option D. Kerala. Next question. In which country are the groom's clothes torn on stage? A. Canada, B. India, C. Brazil, D. Nepal. The correct answer is option C. Brazil. Next question. In which country is eating chewing gum banned? A. USA, B. China, C. Canada, D. Singapore. The correct answer is option D. Singapore. Last question. Which of these substances reacts with water? A. Salt, B. Milk, C. Oil, D. Ink. The correct answer is option C. Oil. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.